Whether you choose to wear a face shield or need to wear one for work, you should feel secure and comfortable while you're wearing it. This is exactly what you'll get when you choose WeatherTech's FaceShield Air. Let's take a closer look. FaceShield Air is ideal for use in medical offices, helping protect patients and providers alike. Designed and manufactured in America by WeatherTech, this face shield rests softly on your forehead thanks to our uniquely designed ComfortPad. This non-permeable cushion won't absorb sweat, dirt, or makeup, and it can be easily cleaned with gentle dish soap and warm water. FaceShield Air features an anti-fog lens, allowing you to move through your day without your vision constantly obstructed. Plus, each face shield comes with 3 easy-to-install lenses, which are both reversible and reusable. The FaceShield Air lens is available in adult and youth sizes, with a headband that's easily adjustable for the perfect fit. Stay comfortable and protected with WeatherTech's FaceShield Air.